Do you recognize any of these issues within your own projects? Right first time delivery issues, communication, stakeholder buy-in, conflict. My name is Madeleine Boerma and I have over 25 years of experience in ICT process, project and team management, and I'd like to take you on a journey to explain how you can increase leadership in project management using what I call the SAFE approach. And that starts with making sure that at all times you have a 360-degree perspective on your project. That comes in 4 stages and 4 areas. The first one is project identity. What is your project about and why are you running this particular project? You look at areas such as the original idea for the project, its purpose, motives of the various stakeholders, the passion within the organization to actually accomplish this particular project, vision, mission, values, everything that's related to the essence of your project. The second area you'll take into account is project emotion, the project culture and how you work together, levels of trust and cooperation. Now, this is important because people are emotional beings and emotions drive behavior and behavior drives results. So you want to make sure that within your team you have a high level of emotional intelligence and that you know as a team how to deal with situations when they arise. The third area you'll look at is your project activity. Traditionally, this has a lot of project management focus because this is everything you do in your organization and how you've organized yourself, such as the phasing, structure, planning, reporting, and all the actions you take within your project. If I sit down with you for a day or a week, I can see what you do and understand your project activity. The last area to take into account is your project reality, which is the results you've produced. And what is it that you've realized on all accounts, from financials to levels of satisfaction? This always has management attention because people want to understand, have we created the value we wanted and have we accomplished our mission with the project? Now, besides the 360-degree perspective, you need to know yourself as a manager and as a leader. These 4 areas can be divided into management and leadership areas. Management areas will be where it's all about doing things right. Project activity, your plan, you execute your plan the right way, and you hopefully create the reality and results that you need. Leadership is about doing the right things, which is where identity and emotion come into play. You want to make sure that you capture the essence well of why you're doing this particular project and people buy into it. Now, this is where you make a difference because I truly believe in this John F. Kennedy statement. One person can make a difference and everyone should try. And that means that you yourself need to look at your own role within the structure of your project team. So your project identity is all about your own personal motives. Who are you? What values do you adhere to? And then project emotion. How do you feel when you're running your meetings and when you're running your project? How do you take the lead? Because in the next step, project activity, what is it that you do? You set the example by being the leader that you are. And the project reality is also for yourself, what have you achieved? Are you satisfied with the results in the project? The next step is that you need to build bridges. And those who travel a lot, mind the gap. Because a safe approach leading to safe projects and safe results is all about covering the gaps between these different areas. The first 2 are project strategy and project acceptance. Project strategy for me is making sure your why is actually executed, that you do what you say you want to have done. Project acceptance is that your results are accepted, that what you've realized is bought into by all stakeholders. That's what you want. You want to execute your why and have the results accepted. For that, you need 2 other bridges, project faith and project effectiveness. Faith is all about the fact that your essence and the reasons for doing this project are believed by the various people involved, because if they believe that what they're doing and why this project is being set up and run makes any sense, they'll be far more effective in their actions. And then you'll get project effectiveness, actions that are not just productive and doing things for doing's sake, but actions that are effective. And that will create a truly safe environment, trust, connection between all the different areas, and safe results as an effect. Next question is, what do you need? You, as a project leader, sponsor, manager, but also you within the project team, the bigger you as in all of you, do you need to have a good look at the 360-degree perspective? Do you need to dig into, hey, what is it that I'm doing in this project? What is my role? Do you need to pay attention to the various bridges or combinations or anything else? What is it that you need to make your project successful? And then my question can be to you, how can I help you? I truly believe that if you want different results, you need to do different things differently. And with that, I mean change the way you talk about projects, your vocabulary, use different tools, investigate and install a different way of working. I support projects in various stages at the start, when you're stuck, and with safe, I mean end to end, making sure that you're truly safe, strategy, acceptance, faith, and effectiveness within the project from start to finish. Thank you for having watched this, and who knows, maybe we'll see each other, talk to each other. Do get in touch if you're interested in either an inspiration session, coaching, project management, leadership in project management. These are my contact details, and I hope to hear from you. Thank you.